In this video, I'm going to tell you what are the best practices you can apply from today in the videos to give you guys 100% of chances to attract a lot of new subscribers to your YouTube channel, and what are some mistakes you should absolutely avoid. Let's jump right in. Getting new subscribers on your YouTube channel is arguably one of the biggest challenge that you're gonna be facing as a new content creator on YouTube along the way, because this involves a lot of good and bad practices, and unfortunately a lot of new YouTube creators don't actually know about all of those things. They're not really aware of all of those things, and this is the reason why a lot of creators are being struggling to gain subscribers and to grow the YouTube channel. So today, or as I say, all right, the thing that you guys need to understand is there are some very good practices that you guys need to apply on your channel, on your content, okay, before you can see the result, before you can get a lot of new subscribers on your YouTube channel, okay. And also a couple of mistakes that you should absolutely avoid, okay, because this is gonna compromise everything. So here are some mistakes that you guys should never be doing on your channel if you want to get a lot of subscribers, okay, along the way. So the first mistake that I want you guys to never be doing is please don't beg your friends, your family, or your relatives to subscribe to your channel. Well, this is absolutely a big mistake that I've seen a lot of new creators being doing all the time, and this is not a good strategy. It's not really worth it as well, because how many friends do you have? Okay, how many people are there in your family? This is what all the problem is. You don't have to rely on these people to grow your channel. This is a very bad strategy. Don't do this. Don't do this. The second mistake that you should absolutely avoid, you should never be doing if you want to get a lot of subscribers on YouTube, is, guys, please never buy subscribers. Don't buy subscribers. This is actually a very bad idea. This is not a good strategy. You understand? Because buying subscribers, okay, is gonna get you what we call unqualified subscribers. Okay, so unqualified subscribers, just like what I say, people are this type of subscribers who are not really interested in your content. Well, as long as people are not interested in your content, so this means that they're not willing to watch your videos, to watch your content, and as a result, this is gonna destroy. This is gonna kill your content. Okay, bit by bit. So don't do this. Don't do this. Never buy subscribers. And the real problem with buying subscriber is, if you do this, YouTube, the YouTube algorithm is going to send, automatically very negative signals to, onto the YouTube system, okay? And then as a result, YouTube is gonna put your channel on the blacklist, and then everything is going to drift apart, because YouTube will no longer recommend your video. YouTube will no longer put your videos, because this goes against the YouTube policy. Buying subscribers is not a an ethical way to grow your YouTube channel. So never do this. Otherwise, YouTube is going to shut down your channel. Okay, YouTube is going to put your channel on the blacklist. So never do this. This is a bad idea. Okay, now let's move to the most interesting part of this video. So, now I'm gonna tell you guys what are the best practices to get you guys a lot of subscribers on your YouTube channel. So, the very first thing that I want you guys to take in consideration is, you don't need everyone to be your subscribers. Okay, not everybody is supposed to be a subscriber, because what you actually need to be able to grow a very successful YouTube channel is what we call qualified subscribers. Okay, so qualified subscribers, I'm just talking about those people who are really have interest in your content, those people who are really interested in your videos, in your content. So these are exactly the type of subscriber that you need to be able to grow a very successful YouTube channel. So, how to attract these people. So there are two ways that you guys can apply to be able to attract qualified subscribers on your YouTube channel. So the very first important thing there you guys need to be doing, and that will get you guys a lot of new subscribers to your YouTube channel, is every time you create videos, you need to make sure you provide highly valuable information and advices are in your videos that either resolve your audience problem or they respond to your audience concern. So this is the most important thing that you guys need to be providing in your videos, because people they actually subscribe to your channel because they appreciate your content, because they appreciate your video, because they appreciate your advices, because they find your content valuable, and as a result, and in return, they also recompense you as a creator, okay, by subscribing to your content. As long as they love your content, as long as they love, okay, the advices that you providing in your content, they will subscribe to your channel. This is the best way that you guys can attract a lot of new subscribers to your YouTube videos, okay? So I think this is the greatest way to go. And the second thing that you guys should also okay, never forget to be doing if you want to attract a lot of new subscribers to your channel is, every time you create videos, every time you creating your content, okay, in your videos, okay, all the time, make sure you remind to your viewers to subscribe to your channel, because sometimes people can forget about it, okay? So try to always incorporate call to action in your videos, and when you're shooting the videos, okay, like from time to time, just encouraging and try to tell to your viewers to subscribe to your channel. And let me know in the comment section below what is your impression on that. Okay, what you think on this, and let me know as well what are your concerns. So I'm gonna personally try to help you with that. So thanks for watching the video to the very end. Or subscribe to the channel. I see you on the other one. Peace and love.